सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार. Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. So children, yesterday have you all gone through the video? बच्चों, आप सब लोगों ने कल का जो वीडियो है आप सब लोगों ने देखा? मैम क्यों पूछ रही है? क्योंकि मैम ने रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस दिया था. पहला पार्ट जो है झूला. Okay, so here today also we are going to take the reading practice of the lesson number 2, that is आम की कहानी. Okay children, so this आम की कहानी, what is the story? Can anyone remember? This one is a pictorial representation. Okay, so they had given some pictures. We have to create the story. What is that story? So they on the tree one ripe mango was there. Okay, so at the time the girl and the crow both are had seen same time that ripe mango. So these two are want that ripe mango. These two means who are there? Crow and that girl. The both are want that mango. Okay, so at the time what it was happened, this girl what she did, immediately she went in the home and she called his brother. Okay, the brother when he is coming at the time he brought that twicker. Okay, so shooter also we are calling now the twicker he brought. So with the twicker he started shooting. Okay, at the time there the crow it was sat on the tree and it is observing. Why? Because if the mango was fallen down at that time it can catch. Now for that moment it was waiting. Okay, it was waited for that moment. After that when that brother he was started shooted, at the time that ripe mango was cutted and it was fallen down from the tree. At the time this crow immediately it was flew away from there and it caught that mango. Okay, so after that it is flying. Immediately there one honeycomb is there. So this crow was it was hit with the honeycomb. So when it was hit with the honeycomb, that mango was fallen down. So it was fell into the nest. There was crow's nest is there. In that only it was fell. So at the felt at the time, they squirrels are there on the tree. Some 3 or 4 squirrels are there. In that one squirrel, it saw the mango and it went into the nest and it brought the mango. So there, when the mango was felt, no, at the time, there in the nest some eggs are there. When it was felt at the time, the eggs are started breaking, and the next the baby crows are came out. This squirrel went and took the mango. No, at the time, these baby crows are started shouting. By hearing this squirrel was afraid, and it was left that mango. That mango was fallen down, and there under the tree one man who wore the cap and he sat down there under the tree. So this mango was fallen down, and the next this man was wore the cap. No, so in that it was felt that mango. So that girl is there. No, she is watching everything. So immediately this girl she went and she took the mango. This is the story of Aam Ki Kahani. Okay, have you all understood? Yes. Now come we'll see the class work notebook. चलिए अब हम लोग देखते हैं क्लास वर्क नोटबुक. तो एक बार कहानी को हम लोग फिर से एक बार दोहराएंगे बच्चों. एक लड़की और एक कौवे ने पेड़ पर लगा पका हुआ आम को देखा. आम देखकर लड़की ने सोचा इसे तोड़ा जाए. उसने अपने भाई को पका हुआ आम को दिखाया. उसके भाई ने आम पर गुलेल से निशाना साधा. कौवा ये ध्यान से देख रहा था. जैसे ही आम टूटा कौवे ने अपनी चोंच से आम लपक लिया. दोनों भाई बहन कौवे को आम ले जाते देख उदास हो गए. आगे बढ़ते ही कौवा मधुमक्खियों के छत्ते से टकरा गया. मधुमक्खियां कौवे को डंक मारने लगी. आम कौवे के घोंसले में जा गिरा. पेड़ पर बैठी गिलहरी ने आम को देखा. एक गिलहरी घोंसले में आम उठा लिया. इतने में अंडे टूट गए और कौवे के बच्चे ने काव काव का शोर मचाना शुरू कर दिया। गिलहरी के हाथों से आम छूट गया, आम गिरा नीचे। अरे ये आम कहाँ गिरा? आम गिरा आदमी के पगड़ी पर। लड़की ने आम उठा लिया। उसके भाई खुश होकर अपनी गुल्लई का कमाल देखने लगे। ओके चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ आम की कहानी। नाउ कम विल सी द class work notebook. We'll do the reading practice. Everyone has to repeat with me. Okay, shabdad meanings. Shabdad meanings. First one, ladhka boy. लड़का boy, 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 लड़का boy, 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 लड़का boy, boy, boy. Next one, लड़की girl, लड़की girl, 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 लड़की girl, GIRL, girl. One more time, लड़की girl, GIRL, girl. Next, आम mango, 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 आम mango, 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 आम mango, MANGO, mango. Everyone do the reading practice. Repeat with me. Next, fourth one, पेड़, tree, 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 पेड़, tree, TREE, tree. One more time, पेड़, tree, TREE, tree. Next, मुंह, mouth, 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 मुंह, mouth, MOUTH, mouth. One more time, मुंह, MOUTH, mouth, मुंह, mouth, MOUTH, mouth. पानी, water, 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 पानी, water, WATER, water. One more time, पानी, water, WATER, water. Next, कौवा, crow, 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 कौवा, crow, 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 कौवा, crow, CROW, crow. गिलहरी, squirrel, 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 गिलहरी, squirrel, 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 गिलहरी, squirrel, SQUIRREL, squirrel. Next, घोंसला, nest, 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 घोंसला, nest, NEST, nest. Repeat with me children, घोंसला, Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Number 10. Aadmi. Man. M-A-N. Man. Aadmi. Man. M-A-N. Man. Aadmi. Man. M-A-N. Man. Bhai. Brother. B-R-O. T-H-E-R. Brother. Bhai. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Bhai. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. So these are the meanings. Okay, children. We'll repeat one time. Okay. Ladka. Boy. Ladki. Girl. Arm. Mango. Peड़. Tree. मुंह. Mouth. पानी. Water. कौवा. Crow. गिलहरी. Squirrel. घोंसला. Nest. आदमी. Man. भाई. Brother. So these are the meanings. Everyone, please do the reading practice of these meanings. First lesson and second lesson, we are going to have a test on Tuesday. Okay, children, please remember this thing. We are going to have a test on Tuesday. So, date of the Tuesday is, wait, I will say. So, date is coming Tuesday. Coming Tuesday is 29th. Okay, 29th we are going to have a test. So everyone please sit and learn the spellings and words. And we are having choose only in these two lessons. No need to worry. I am going to give the choose also. So just you have to select that word and you have to write. Okay, children. So that's why every time I am giving the reading practice, children, please sit and read. Learn these things. Next come we'll see the fill in the blanks. खाली स्थान भरिए. Fill in the blanks. First one. पेड़ पर डैश लटक रहा था. On the tree, what it is having? What it is having? Aam, anar. Mango, pomegranate. Which one it is there on the tree? Mango. Okay, so this is the answer, mango. So what you have to do? You have to put the tick mark and you have to write the answer also. Okay, when you are writing this choose, please write fully. Okay, next. Second one, आम को डैश ने देखा. So that mango. Who saw this mango? So here the options had given Kawwa, more. Who had seen? Kawwa, crow. Okay. Next. Number 3. घोंसले में dash पड़े थे. So in the nest, what is there? So what was it was there in the nest? So there in the nest, anda. Chidiya, anda. What was there? Eggs are there. Anda. Okay. So these are the choose. So everyone repeat with me ma. पेड़ पर डैश लटक रहा था. आम. One more time. पेड़ पर डैश लटक रहा था. आम. पेड़ पर डैश लटक रहा था. आम. आम को डैश ने देखा. कौवा. आम को डैश ने देखा. कौवा. घोंसले में डैश पढ़े थे, अंडा। घोंसले में डैश पढ़े थे, अंडा। वन मोर टाइम। पेड़ पर डैश लटक रहा था, आम। आम को डैश ने देखा, कौवा। घोंसले में डैश पड़े थे, अंडा। Okay, children. So choose and meanings alone you learn. Okay, here I am giving the reading practice of the opposite words, but for this test, no need this opposite words. Okay, we'll do when we are going to take the lesson number 3 test will be there. No, so at the time from lesson number 2, these opposite words also I am going to conduct at that time. But now only you have to learn meanings and the next choose. Come repeat with me उल्टे शब्द opposite words लड़का लड़की लड़का लड़की नाना नानी नाना नानी भाई बहन भाई बहन चाचा चाची चाचा चाची. Okay, children. So do the practice nicely. After finishing this session, please take your Hindi handwriting book is there, no? So in that you complete the next page. Take your pencil, see and first trace it nicely. After that, write. Okay, I am going to send that page in assignment session. So everyone see and complete and learn these meanings, and first lesson meanings choose and the next second lesson meanings choose. So we are going to have a test on coming Tuesday, that is on 29th. Okay children, thank you all of you. We'll meet in the next session. धन्यवाद बच्चों, हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में और अच्छे से पढ़ाई कीजिए. और मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था कि हिंदी हैंडराइटिंग बुक में जो नेक्स्ट पेज है ना, तो लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने खत्म किया. आई थिंक वी हैड कंप्लीटेड द पेज नंबर 4 or 7. So I am going to send in the assignment session, so everyone see that page number and complete that thing. Okay, thank you all of you. We'll meet in the next session. हम लोग अगले सेशन में मिलते हैं और अच्छे से पढ़ाई कीजिए. प्लीज लर्न दैट मीनिंग्स एंड चूज. थैंक यू.